How to install Fabric on Minecraft. So first open up your browser. Now once you're on your browser, just search for Minecraft Fabric, then click on the first link right here, which is fabricmc.net. Once you're there, just simply click on download here on the top. And once you're here, just simply click on download for Windows. I'm just going to place it on my downloads folder, click on save, and wait for it to download. Once it's done, I'm just exit out of my browser first. Now open up the file explorer where you downloaded it and just open up or double click on Fabric Installer to open it up. Once it's done, click on the version that you want and the loader version and just simply click on install. And as you can see, Fabric Loader has been successfully installed. Click on OK. Now just exit out and now you can delete the installer. And when I open up my Minecraft launcher, wait for it to load. So as you can see, I now have Fabric Loader right here. Now go back to the website earlier. Now once you're there on our website, just simply click on this one. So go back to the downloads and installation, then click on the Fabric API right here. Once you're there, it will bring you to this website called CurseForge. Now just click on Files and click the version that we've downloaded with the launcher. So the launcher version is 1.21.1, so I will download the 1.21.1 version right here. Click on download. Once that's done, just wait for it to download. I'm just going to put it on my desktop. So put it on desktop so that for the next step it will be easier. So click on save. Once it's done, just wait for it to download. Now exit out of your desktop again. Now what you want to do is just simply click on Windows plus R on your keyboard. So Windows key plus R to open up this run data, and just type in percentage app data percentage. Click on OK. Once you're there, click on Minecraft, then click on mods right here. Then once you're here, you'll just need to simply click on the API that we downloaded and move it right here. That's why I've put it on the desktop so that it could be easily dragged right there. Now once it's done, that should be good to go. Now you could just open up your Fabric launcher, then click on the I understand the risk right here. If this pops up, then click on play right here. Just wait for it to open up. And now as you can see, Fabric is now loaded and now I could install mods for Fabric.